Windows Vienna, a custom build made by the famous YouTuber, well, I guess, Vista, and I will have a link to his channel in the description for this video. So we're going to try out his custom version of Windows Vista and his custom skin, and we're going to see what it is like. I'm going to move this to the, I guess, back up here. Alright, here we go. Now, if you don't know, Windows Vista was one of the failed Windows from 2006, and I had to get separate tools because the built-in VMware tools don't work, like, at all. Because they only work on Windows 7 and up. And you still have to update Windows 7 to Service Pack 1 in order to even get them to work there, so. Normal Windows Vista sound, but look at that purple. Yeah. Here you go. This is a very blank desktop. I believe this is Milestone 17. Don't recall me on that video, because just for right now. Actually, I'll turn it back on there. I might not change it. Okay, so the start button is purple instead of Windows Media Center. Let's see if I can get to the old Media Center. Yes. Oh, you changed the sound for that. So this is what it was like before Windows 7. And then the last one being on 8, which was the same thing as 7's. Hello? I can't get out of it. Okay. Oh. There's extra shows on here. Alright, so the rest is pretty much the same. The only difference is everything is purple instead of, the default red or blue. But everything else still works. I only set it to that. So the time is definitely not right. So we're gonna go try and download a browser and see if we can get web browsing. Your browser may be out of date. Yeah, oh. Okay, that's a nice sound. Internet Explorer. Okay, get Edge then? No. Oh, that's why we don't have internet. Did I forget to bridge it? Yeah, bridged. Why have I forgotten to bridge? Oh. We're gonna come back with that in a second. Okay, now the problem here, which was why the internet wasn't working, I forgot to set it to bridged. Oh. Come on. Okay, even though I do have internet, it's not letting me go to Chrome. Let's try this way now. It's anyway. So we need a web browser. Because Internet Explorer is too old. Yes. Yes. There's no download. How about it manually? Continue and not recommended. Yeah. It's because it's too old to understand. We're gonna run the setup. Oh. Okay, well, can I tell it to run anyway? Computer. We'll download. Right here. No? Okay. And okay, so we're gonna try and see if I can get my pal to work from Major Geeks because we need something that isn't in Explorer because it's old. I don't care. Shh. Operation aborted. What do you want me to do? Alright, outsourcing time. So we're gonna grab a browser from the real world and then we're gonna bring it to there. We'll grab 64-bit. Alright, so we're gonna outsource that, and while we do that, we're gonna check out the games now, back down here. So what games do we have with Vista? AKA this. So we have Minesweeper, that was on 7, this was on 7, this I think was on 7, that I know was on 7, this wasn't, Inkball. Alright, let's do some Inkball. Is there sound? I don't think there is. Basically what you had to do was you had to draw so you can get the balls into the hole on the other side. Oh. Yay, I win. Okay. Which ball's going first? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Let's go to Purple Place, because everybody remembers that game. It's to beginner. Yeah, if you don't know basic card matching, there's something wrong with you. Yeah, I win. The taste doesn't display right, but... Alright. There's also this cake game. Pix 2 doesn't display right. Yeah, we can just play some Purple Place for a while. I know you guys all want to see if the internet works still on here. We're waiting for our browser to download. If you click on these when it's not there. It's like, boing. Yeah, win. Now, of course, there is Arrow, too. I'm gonna just check on the web browser real quick to see if we're good to go. That's fine, you guys definitely want to watch me play more Purple Place. Personalize. This is different from 7. In 7, it was just change the background. In here, you have to do it this way. So we're gonna change it to Arrow. Oh, worked for a second. There we go. It's not gonna run that great now. It's probably gonna change it back to basic, but we also have some backgrounds, obviously. and the Vista YouTuber made plenty to make it unique. Ooh, I like that one. It's like Windows XP's, but like tinted. Light auroras. Hmm. Let me turn that off, guys. And yes, I'm doing a lot. I'm doing a lot of switching. Ooh, okay. Let's take a look at that. The sounds I think are different too. I think. Yep. They get like a louder appearance. Oh, probably the same. That one's nice. That one's the same. That one's different. Yeah. Even the skin range from white. Oh. Oh yes, that's what Windows Classic is. And other skin packs like that. So I'm gonna just keep that and um let's see what kind of built-in stuff there is. Let's see. Play music. Let's play this because I know this isn't copyrighted. It even gives us Media Player 11, which is the newer version thing. Oh yeah, I changed it back because it was running like crap. That doesn't sound terrible. Like the lasers. So the YouTuber who made this build actually made this, I think. I don't know. See what else do we got? Internet Explorer, which I've already used. Vista's website. It doesn't even display right. Okay. UD player Windows Defender did not start in. That's weird. It found my Xbox. I don't like that. Windows Movie Maker. Let's make some movies. This is back when it was really primitive, though. You only had one frame. Is it done yet? No. Yep. Okay, now that we can continue this, now I have the browser here, which is called MyPal, and it's gonna work. So I just boop, and now it's there. Cool. Awesome. So let's drag it over here, put it next to our recycling bin, and now we'll extract it and have a web browser that'll actually work, that isn't outdated. I don't hear anything. That's weird. Okay. Let's make it my default. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, Windows Mail 2006. Yes. Yeah, look at that old logo. Imagine if that was your email. So this browser is basically a modern browser for Windows XP, but it works on stuff like Vista here, or Vienna, I guess. It also I found out Windows Vienna was actually a name for a custom Windows beta, but then a YouTuber decided to take Vista and make it a build of his own. Yeah. Look, we're getting there. See, look, we're on YouTube. Yeah. And just like usual, we're going to do the sound test on my YouTube channel so we avoid any sort of complaints from the big guys upstairs. So, let's just use my trailer. Just why not? Yeah, that does not run great. You see what changed itself to basic.
Hello, guys. I am Death Razor YT. You
Audio
can
and
also
video
call me
work?
Death Razor or just Razor, however you prefer.
Okay. Let's go play some games. Let's play Run 3 again because I'm really good at that game for how basic it is, and yeah. So let's go. Let's see if this can do it. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. And it changed itself back to basic because that was a thing in Vista, and as well, since this is a custom build of Vista, it does that too. Basically, no arrow will stay because since the VM doesn't have much RAM, it changes it back to basic. But I'll let you guys see what arrow looks like, so that's all you get. Yeah, that's not working great. Okay, back. Let's try this. Run3.pro. This should work. Hey, look, ads for games I'd rather be playing right now. Instead of this. Just, oh, huh? May need to restart your game. To fix it, please submit an error with the data. I need a game to play. Please let me have it. Nope. Okay. I guess let's go find some other Flash games because gotta keep this interesting. I already done crazy games in the video. Flash Museum. That sounds good. The hardest game. Oh, I remember when that came out. Man, it's been almost 13 years since that came out. It's just insane. Let's try Freezeria. And if you don't know what this game is, you are losing. Because this game was one of the classics that us 2010 kids had. In fact, I think it came out 3 years after 2010, but there was like the Papa's Pizzeria, then there was Freezeria, and a bunch of other Rias, and it's like, how many Rias can we have? Honestly. And when VMware tools work, they work. When they don't work, they really don't work. Oh, look, all this garbage down here. It's my experience program. Security alerts. Let's see if I can open that. Malware protection. Oops. Well, this site works, so. Windows Defender is update. Wait, what? They could actually get an update? I haven't even updated this from the basic build. I have one I monitor myself. Yeah, it's doing purple day too. Yeah, this is taking too long. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, and these are gadgets, which were a thing in 7, but nobody used them because they were like just terrible, so they were a thing in Vista, and then most people forgot about it in 7, including me. Could have this to see the CPU and GPU. Picture puzzle. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can view headlines. So when I close this gadget. There's also the slideshow thing, so where you could basically view all the pictures that are on the computer. And you could bring it out and it would be bigger. Or you could just put it back in and it would be smaller. Yeah, it's not working. Okay. There's also calendar. So you could just have the calendar and then click it open and it shows you your calendar. Oh, there's gadget. Yeah, there's not much. And if you try to get what gadgets online, yeah, 2006. Yeah, I'll tell you this. Yes, I want it. Gadgets have been discontinued because of serious vulnerabilities. But you can get Windows 10 and get all these apps like Candy Crush. Yeah, no, I'm good. Let's see if there's anything else before I shut her down here. And yes, we have Windows Movie Maker, as I showed already. All this boring stuff. Ancient snipping tool. Welcome center. Yeah, there it is. So, would I recommend this? If you like Windows Vista but don't want to deal with the problems it has in VMware, try it, but you gotta get your own drivers manually from VMware Tools because this version doesn't work. So you gotta download a different version of VMware Tools to plop in so it works. But if you can find it, yeah. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what next Windows we should do.